Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to pay on Shopee using 7-Eleven Cliqq. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First off, start by visiting Shopee Philippines and log into your account. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to go to your shopping cart, which you'll find at the top right corner of the page. This is where all the items you've selected for purchase are stored. Once you've confirmed your cart contents, proceed to checkout by clicking on the checkout link. You'll be directed to a page where you can review your shipping details and make any necessary changes before moving on to payment options. Here's look for the Payment Center or e-wallet option and select it to proceed. After selecting the Payment Center e-wallet, you'll be presented with a list of payment methods. Scroll down until you find the 7-Eleven Cliqq option and select it. This method is popular due to its convenience, allowing you to pay in cash at any 7-Eleven store near you. Finally, after selecting the 7-Eleven Cliqq payment method, all that's left is to place your order. Carefully review all the information on the screen to ensure everything is correct. If satisfied, click on the Place Order button. You'll receive a barcode or a reference number which you'll need to take to the nearest 7-Eleven store. Show the cashier this barcode or provide them with the reference number and they'll assist you with your payment. And that's it. So that is how you can pay on Shopee using 7-Eleven Cliqq. So that's all for this video. Thanks.